Work at 6 o'clock this morning. So far, this is what I've done. Croissants, tarts, mini tarts. This will be turned into brioche buns. As you can see, I have 3 trays of baguettes. Creme brulee, cheesecake, raspberry tart. Oh, that's not the bad. Not even close to that. Chocolate mine will be strawberries and cream once I'm done. I haven't done that yet. Oh, here's the strawberries for it. Whipped cream on top of that. White chocolate cherry muffins. I have to go on a continental. Here's the fruity chocolate with it. That's the leftovers. Okay. Going over to here. This is my line. Vanessa, and I'm recording all the stuff that I'm doing today. This will be turned into bacon bits. Oh, see what time it is? It's 10 o'clock. I started at 6. Before noon, see this well where Vanessa is standing? It will be full of food that I have to prep for the a la carte menu. I will videotape that later. Over there are all the dishes I had to wash before I even started because our 2 dishwashers yesterday didn't finish them. I will be back.